the national government when it comes to earthquake preparedness. So at the national level, may mga tools yung national, yung NDRRMC natin to prepare, to assist the local governments in developing their comprehensive earthquake response plans. And again, ang naibanggit ko kanina, malaki ang naitulong ng NDRRMC sa ating awareness dahil sa quarterly earthquake drill, people are now more aware than say 20 or 30 years ago. Isa pang inisyatibo ng ating gobyerno ay yung when it comes to the big one naman, ito yung Oplan Metro Yacal Plus na this was prepared in 2015. Ito yung official earthquake contingency plan ng Metro Manila developed by the MMDA and NDRRMC. And dito ina-outline yung coordinated response actions across Metro Manila's 4 quadrants kasi po kapag nangyari yan, mahahati yung Metro Manila into 4 different sectors.
Opo.
And yung Department of Interior and Local Government naman has also crafted Operation Listo, which aims to strengthen the disaster preparedness plans of our LGUs. And kami naman dito sa opisina, sa aming tanggapan, we also have step up our mapping and information dissemination efforts. Ang ginagawa namin dito sa FIVOX is we provide capacity enhancement for comprehensive disaster risk reduction. Nagbibigay kami ng lectures and trainings to the LGUs and to other organizations to help them prepare for future earthquake events. And meron din po tayong mga tools na dinidevelop to help the common tao to assess their level of exposure to different hazards. For example, meron tayong Hazard Hunter PH, which is a free app which yung mga tao they can use to know which hazards may affect in their area.
Opo.